We've mastered pancakes. Look at that. Oh, look how pretty that is. You ready?
Yep.
Oh, I gotta get under it. Boom. Okay, also,
If you need help, just talk to me in my YouTube channel.
yes.
And we'll show you videos of like how long it should take.
So now back to the pancake. We got any bubbles yet? No. Did we flip this yet, Zakai?
No.
Yeah, why not? Why don't we want to flip it yet?
Because there's not enough bubbles.
Yeah, where do we
So
want those
now
bubbles
it's
to happen?
making a ton of bubbles. But most of all, you should look at the middle.
Yes.
Most important part of a pancake.
Yes. And plus the pan was cold, remember? We cooled it down. We got it on temperature number 4.
Once you start seeing bubbles around there, it should take around like 1 minute to see the bubbles.
Are you gonna eat your pancakes before they get
But once you see the bubbles, in like 1 minute, just flip it. But also check before you flip. And it may not be ready yet. You see?
Oh, that's looking good. That's nice and golden. I think you're gonna want to eat my pancake.
Boom. Now just wait for like the top to see, like the top should be
Is there a
right.
nice like little, oh, touch that. It feels mad good.
Ooh!
That's gonna be nice and crispy.
And you see how nice golden brown it is? That is the most important thing. Especially when you want the best pancakes.
I'm gonna turn off the pan because it's gonna continue to be hot while it's cooking a little bit.
And boom! That's how you make a good one. Oh, should I get my clothes on?
Okay, so you wipe out the cooked butter.
I didn't want...
You put more butter in it. You don't let it get too hot. The reason why? Because you want your batter to go in there quickly. Right on top of it. Boom. There we go. We just let it slow cook. We got this one 4. We got no bubbles yet, but they'll happen soon.
You should probably use a Frigidaire oven for better perfection.
That's probably not a bad idea. You like work for Frigidaire? You advertising? You're a salesperson? Frigidaire salesperson? Alright, this guy's almost ready to be flipped. We got no bubbles yet. But this one's gonna be nice and golden brown on the outside.
Yeah, golden is perfect.
Golden. Let's say we give it a look. Give it a look-see. Oh yeah, that's perfect.
And also, if you need any help.
Alright, so here's the secret to making it, having your pancakes look perfect. What you gotta do is clean out all this grease when you're done. You don't want that for the next pancake.
That's the secret step when
You don't, I mean, if you don't want brown pancakes, if you don't care, then, I mean, they're all gonna taste the same at the end of the day. And plus, it's a little smoky right now because the pan is too hot. So what we'll do is we'll just let it cool down a little bit. Get some water on here. Okay, that's good enough. Thank you, little man. A little bit more water.
cool.
So hot. So even though you put cold water in it, it's still cooking. These are our dirty rags. Okay, so now that the pan is cooled down, get it hot again. This is how you make pretty looking pancakes. We like pretty pancakes.
Yeah. If
Put
you
our
want
butter
better
in there.
pancakes, wait for the butter to melt like around the pan, and the butter that we use is called Miyoko's.
Oat milk butter.
It makes your pancakes nice and fresh. And make sure that you just get the butter butter all around the pan. Just don't let it just sit there forever. Put it on like different sides of it and move it around.
So this is the last pancake. This is Dad's pancake. So we whip up our batter, get nice and fluffy. The butter's not even hot. That's good. That's exactly how I want it. I want the butter starting to melt. And I put my little pancake right over here. Boom. Come on, can you scrape me out?
One thing that you should use is Bob's Red Milk Egg Replacer.
Oh yeah, we put
And
a
a
little bit of
special
egg
type of batter that
wanna
is
show
made
them
by
the
a
egg
company
replacer?
called Birch Benders.
And where's the
Add
egg replacement?
soy milk. Add silk soy milk, like a third cup of that. But don't forget, add a bit of syrup in it.
A touch of this. Follow these instructions that are on here, but where it says 2/3 a cup of mix and 2/3 a cup of water.
But instead of that, use maple syrup and soy milk.
Yes, so 3/4 of a cup of milk, and put like a little bit of the egg replacement in there for the last 1/4 cup.
And for one thing, you should add 1/3 cup of water.
Yes, so 1/3 cup of water, 1/3 cup of soy milk with a little bit of maple syrup in there. So once again, 3/4 cup of milk for the last 1/4 of that cup. Replace a little bit of it with the egg replacement. 2/3 cup of water. However, you got 1/3 cup of soy milk, and for the last bit of the water portion of it, put a little bit of soy milk in it. You get it though.
Double one.
All right, one more.
Maybe a couple more. One more.
Hold on a second.
Time for the taste test. Warning, do not add syrup. This can ruin the pancake's flavor. 5 stars, actually.
They're 5 stars?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. I didn't even start mine yet.
You should use like 2 flakes of butter or better.
Got my honey bunches of oats. Boom.
The more butter you use, the saltier your pancakes will get. I would suggest you use 2 flakes of butter using this special type of knife.
Really want a nice tasty breakfast, you get yourself
Some
a cup
ripple.
of chocolate ripple.
Yeah. Or if you're like not a big fan of chocolate ripple, you could go for like plain ripple. The old-fashioned type.
Have we ever bought that?
Mm-mm.
Yeah, I don't think so. It's just like drinking vanilla milk.
Yeah.
Dokily. Pancakes good?
Wait, try it plain first.
Alright, fine.
You're gonna love it.
It's a nice crispy crunch.
And a really good taste of salt.
They are sweet without the syrup, but like the syrup because it makes it wet. These are actually very good pancakes.
If you want syrup, you can melt the syrup or heat it up.